right, those were just my Tostitos tortilla chips in my mini loaf tins. We're just gonna make sure they're all tucked in there nice and easy. You can use whatever tortilla chips you like. I just like the Tostitos because they're extra crunchy and extra salty. Right after our chips, I'm gonna come in with my pizza squeeze. I love the pizza squeeze, and we're gonna go ahead and squeeze our pizza sauce right onto our tortilla chips. I know this might seem a little bit untraditional, a little wacky, a little unique, but this is gonna be the best game day appetizer you've ever made. I absolutely love making this because everyone gets their own individual portion and they can kind of dress it up how they want. This is gonna be better than your traditional nachos. This is gonna be something even greater. Once we have a good amount of that sauce on there, we're gonna put it to the side. And of course, what's the best cheese for some pizza sauce? It is mozzarella. And I'm using the Kraft whole milk, and we are gonna go heavy-handed with that cheese. Oh, it's the best part, right? And so I'm gonna do about half a bag per loaf. So I have 2 whole bags here for the 4 of these portions, but you can use whatever cheese you like. You can use a Parmesan, an Italian blend. You can even go crazy and use a Colby Jack or a cheddar, but I personally love the mozzarella for this. And obviously you can grade your own, but this is supposed to be a super easy, super quick, yummy game day treat. All right, finish off these back ones with my second bag. Now that we have all of our cheese on our chips, we're gonna come in with a little bit of Italian seasoning just to add some extra flavor. This is optional. You can even, do whatever seasoning you want, just some salt and pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, but I like the Italian seasoning because it adds a nice little color and dimension to our dish. And honestly, this brand right here is so good. It just smells good, it tastes good. It is perfect for this appetizer. Now for the fun part, I have these pepperoni minis. And if you couldn't tell yet, we are making pizza nachos. Yep, I'm combining 2 of everyone's favorite game day appetizers, game day meals into one amazing individual serving of our favorites. All right, and I like to use the minis so that you can kind of get a little bit here and there onto each chip, and it's easier just to eat it this way. And like I said, you can customize this. Everyone can make their own. That is the beauty of this appetizer. If you don't like pepperoni, you don't have to put pepperoni. You could put ham, you could put sausage, you could make it a Hawaiian pizza nacho, which to me sounds insane, but you know what? I do not judge. You can make it a veggie pizza, a meat lovers. I do have some extras that I'm gonna add on, but everyone in my house loves pepperoni, so we're definitely starting strong with the pepperoni. And then my husband's favorite pizza topping is mushrooms. So of course we're doing mushrooms, and he doesn't mind the canned ones, so that's why I buy them. They're cheaper, and he doesn't know the difference between the fresh and the canned. So we're gonna go ahead and add mushrooms to these 2. I'm gonna diagonally cross them. Some people like mushrooms in this house, some people don't, so we'll only put it on half of them. Beautiful. And then for me, I love olives, which I know those are also very controversial, but olive and pepperoni pizza is amazing, and it's even better in nacho form. So we're getting olives on these last 2, but you can leave them pepperoni. You can customize it to your liking. It could be a fun little game day activity before the game starts. Everyone creates their own pizza nachos, but this is it. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven at 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, these look absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to give these a try. I definitely want the olive and pepperoni one because that is my favorite. Let's give it a try. Ooh, I cannot wait. Oh, look at that cheese bowl. Oh yeah.